So hello guys, welcome back again iTechHub YouTube channel. In this video I will show you iOS 15 update after microphone not working on iPhone and iPad. Lot of iPhone 6, 6s, 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus users also reported to iPhone microphone not working after iOS 15 updates. In my iPhone 7 Plus I already updated iOS 15s on my iPhone as well as iPad. Make sure you are subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. In this video I will show you how to fix microphone not working after iOS 15 updates. Now I will show you some solution for that issue, so guys you can easily try on your iPhone and easy to fix your problems. First one solution is force restart your iPhone. So guys, now first of all step on the volume down button and press the on off button in same times. Now wait for some times, then Apple logo appear, then release all the buttons on your iPhone and iPad. Apple logo appear, then automatically restart your iPhone and iPad. This way too you can easily iOS 15 update after microphone not working fix on your iPhone and iPad. Now second solution is most important. The solution is restart your iPhone and iPad. So guys, please make sure follow the steps. Now first of all open the settings. Now scroll down and tap on the general. In general, now again scroll down and select the shutdown. In shutdown you can see also slide to power off. After 20 to 30 second wait, then again turn on your iPhone and iPad and easy to microphone fix on your iPhone and iPad. Now third one solution is test iPhone microphone online on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, please make sure follow the steps. Now first one important things in strong Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and iPad. Now open the any browser. Now search bar, search online microphone test. Search after you can see also first one is online microphone test or website available. So guys, please make sure tap on that. In this website scroll down and now you can see also play icon available. So guys, please make sure tap on that. Now microphone access on your iPhone. So guys, please make sure tap on allow. Now speak any word, then you can easily check microphone working or not. If you not, so guys, please make sure hardware problem on your iPhone. Now last solution is most important. The solution is reset all settings on your iPhone and iPad. Now first of all open the settings, scroll down and tap on the general. In general second last option is reset. Now again tap on the reset and now first option is reset all settings. Now enter your correct passcode. Now again tap on the reset all settings on your iPhone. This way too you can easily fix your problems. This all the settings apply on your iPhone. This way too you can. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much.